What is up guys? Welcome back for today's video. Update ko lang kayo about sa tutorial kung saan itinuro ko po sa inyo yung procedure kung paano masosolusyonan yung error prompt na your account is already registered to another phone. May mga nababasa kasi yung comments sa ating previous video about sa tutorial na yon na wala daw lumalabas na show form sa chat with Gigi. So ngayon chinek ko yung chat with Gigi and nakita ko na may nag-iba na naman sa process niya. So I decided to make this video para ma-inform and ma-update kayo. But before we continue this tutorial, kung bago pa lang sa yung channel, niling ko po ang inyong mga kamay para i-subscribe ang channel na ito and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated every time na mag-upload ako ng mga panibagong videos. And without further ado, let's get started. So ngayon, as you can see, nandito kayo sa inyong screen. Ngayon, punta tayo sa Chrome or any browser na available sa inyong mga phone. Then take note, kasi yung iba, nag-o-open ng chat with Gigi doon sa mismong app or sa Gcash app without knowing na may nag-error po doon. So, I recommend na mag-open po kayo or mag-activate po kayo ng chat with Gigi dito sa mismong website or yung sa Gcash Help Center. Diyan po tayo pupunta. Then, dito po natin i-activate yung chat with Gigi. Scroll up, scroll down lang natin hanggang lumabas si chat with Gigi. Click natin yung chat with Gigi. Then, lagay lang natin dito as first message yung phone registration. Then, tatanungin tayo, what best describes your concern? Click natin tong I'm getting the prompt, you already have a registered phone. Ngayon, magre-respond si Gigi ng ganito. If you still have access to your registered phone, follow the instructions below. So, ito yung mga steps na pwede natin gawin if may access pa tayo dun sa ating old phone. Since wala na tayong access sa ating old phone, tatanungin tayo, are you able to log in? Click natin tong no. Ngayon mag-respond si Gigi, alright, which best describes your concern? Click natin tong my registered phone got damaged. Wag na wag po nating piliin dito yung first and second option. Piliin po natin dito yung third option which is yung my registered phone got damaged. Kasi once na pinili natin tong first and second option is wala po tayong matatanggap na show form kung saan doon po natin ilalagay yung mga information na meron sa ating old Gcash account. So, dapat po natin piliin dito yung my registered phone got damaged. Then ngayon, mag-respond si Gigi, no worries, we will assist you in unregistering your old phone so you can log into your account with your new phone. For your security, we will be asking for a few more details before you can proceed. Please tap show form to provide us the needed information. Click natin tong show form, then ilagay lang natin yung mga informations about sa ating Gcash. Ilalagay natin dito yung Gcash registered name, Gcash registered mobile number, Gcash registered email address, and yung phone's brand and model ng ating old phone na nasira na. So after nating ma-fill upan yung form, click natin tong send. Then return to chat. Then magre-response ngayon si Gigi ng ganito. Thanks Raymart, please provide the required documents for us to process your request. So need natin ng valid ID used to register with Gcash and ito yung list ng kino-consider nilang valid ID. And second, yung selfie with your valid ID. So need po natin i-upload dito yung valid ID natin and selfie with our valid ID. Then sabi ni Gigi, ensure that you are uploading the correct images to prevent delays in the processing of your request. Please upload the valid ID you used to register with Gcash. So select file natin, then need po natin i-upload dito yung ating ID na ginamit natin para ma-full verify yung ating Gcash account. Select file lang natin, then media picker. So after nating ma-select yung picture ng ID natin, submit file lang tayo. Then ngayon, after nating masubmit yung ID, return to chat lang tayo. Then mag-response ngayon si Gigi ng ganito. Please upload a selfie with your valid ID. Select file lang ulit natin, then upload lang natin yung selfie with our valid ID. Select file, then media picker. After nating ma-select yung picture na yon, submit file lang ulit natin. Then pag submitted na yung file, return to chat na tayo. So after nating ma-upload yung ID tsaka yung selfie with our valid ID, mag-response ngayon si Gigi ng ganito. We will also need a photo of your damaged phone. The photo of the damaged phone will be matched against what is reflected in our records. Please upload a photo of your damaged phone. So need din po natin i-upload dito yung picture ng ating sirang phone. Select file lang natin, then picturean natin yung nasirang phone natin and i-upload natin dito. Media picker lang ulit, ganun lang din ulit yung process ng pag-upload. After nating ma-select yung photo ng ating sirang phone, submit file lang ulit natin. Then, return to chat. So ngayon, after nating ma-upload yung photo ng ating damaged phone, mag-response ngayon si Gigi ng ganito. Here's your ticket number. So, bibigyan tayo ng ticket number. For your security, we will be checking your submitted documents. Once validated, an email will be sent within 24 hours confirming that you should be able to log into your account with your new phone already. Please check your email for updates. So need po natin i-monitor yung ating email dahil dun po magre-response si GCash regarding po sa status ng ating ticket. Then after few minutes, magre-response ngayon si GCash through email and ang sabi ito, "Hi Raymart, thank you for reaching out to GCash support. This is to acknowledge receipt of your concern. We will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. Thank you. Regards, GCash support." And take note, hindi lang po 24 to 48 hours yung paghihintay kasi minsan po tumatagal po siya ng even 3 days to 4 days. And meron pong mga cases na tumatagal ng kahit weeks. So, need lang po natin dito ng patience sa paghihintay. Then after ma-process ni GCash yung request nyo and ma-confirm niya na kayo talaga yung may-ari ng GCash account na yun, magte-text ngayon siya ng ganito. "Hi, your request to unregister your phone, Tecno Mobile Limited, Chuchu, from your GCash number via our help center has been completed. Just register a new phone when you next log into your GCash account." So, ibig sabihin na unregister na yung GCash account natin doon sa old phone and pwede na tayong makapag-login sa ating GCash account gamit ang ating new phone. So, ganun lang po yung procedure para ma-solve yung error prompt na your account is already registered to another phone. Hanggang dito na lang video na ito. Sana nakatulong. Have a nice day. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out.